for being so patient.
Oh, you're fine.
Sorry about that.
I think we got a coupon, and
Well, just let her do.
So this will do an outside wash with tire shine and underbody, or $10 off of anything else. What were you thinking?
I like when they clean the car out for me. What's that one?
For the inside and outside?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So inside and outside, you get $10 off of any of our full service packages, but the Platinum is our most popular, and you could do that today for $24. It's a vacuum. They'll clean your windows, clean and condition your dash.
The 22 full service one, what does it do?
So that's a different level of interior. It's a vacuum. They'll clean your windows.
I got one.
Evie, shush. What do you want, dear?
you want the vacuum, right?
I think so, yeah.
So yeah.
What, just the number 2? Or Evie, please be quiet for a minute.
What was it? The number 2 didn't vacuum, did it?
It does. It'll do a vacuum. They'll clean your windows. These two little guys are the same interior. A vacuum. They'll clean your windows. The only difference is the outside wash. When we move up from there, $28 is adding wiping out the cup holders, and moving over is adding the cleaning condition of the dash and the light.
We're looking at the
Cup holders, pretty gross. You choose.
It's $151.
What do you want?
Whatever you choose.
Oh.
Whatever you want to pay
Well,
for.
which one do you get?
I think I normally upgrade to the Platinum. But that's what, $24?
24.
It's a lot.
So so we should just
Pick
do number
one,
2?
let's go.
Number
Yeah.
2 would be fine.
I'm sorry.
The number 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Should I have you get my up to first?
Yeah. All right. It's gonna be 12 even. Thank you. So.
Awesome.
And I got a
All
French
right. There's a 30 at the bottom here if you want to let us know how we're doing. Have a good day.
Thank you.
I got a French fry.
Evelyn, we were trying to take care of business.
I just think if we would have got the
It felt like it was too much.
Yeah, and we got
they don't
too
ever
much.
do the cup holders very well anyways.
And then not only that, like we got too much stuff in here, I think,
Yeah.
for that kind of price.
I just wanted them to get all this crap out and vacuum. Because I hate doing that.
Here we go. Whose shoes are that over there?
And you almost killed my French fry.
Evelyn, it's just a stupid fly. That's it?
That?
Oh, he's like, oh, you need more than that. Let me scrub.
Are you ready?
Keep your mouth
Oh, yeah? So you don't get water in your mouth? I hate when they put you too close to each other.
Well, I'm in control of it.
I know. He
Oh.
keeps telling you to move forward, though.
That's because he needs to wash our car.
Just put it in neutral. Yeah. Big Blue's getting a wash. Should I roll down your window?
It's already.
No, should I roll it down? What will happen if I roll it down? Oh yeah? Would that be funny? Hey, we got a wash dude.
Did she mark or scan our ticket or anything? This one.
She ripped it off.
Oh, she did? Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I was asking.
Hey, we didn't waste it.
Yeah.
really working. Oh, blue. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
He did.
There's water in there too.
Yeah.
That must be a long, wet project.
Belt off, baby.
Because we're
Do as
getting
you're
up.
told. Sit still. Come get you, okay?
Okay, find me my LL.
We'll see.
How's it going, man? Pretty good.
Okay.
I will need these. Call Daddy.
never gonna die, baby. Helicopters in the sky. Tell the trees in their loud. Tell me what's the point of picking sides. Struggling just to find my peace. A paranoid man makes paranoid plans. It's only FS2, so I already did basically everything. Waiting for the sign bitch ass to show up. You're the son bitch ass, you the son bitch ass. I just waiting for his ass to show up today. Cause you got his bitch ass to me. You got his so fun.
Look good here?
Yep.
Thank you. It looks great. Come on, baby. Whoa.
That's because that's lava too.
That's lava.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Bridge is on backwards.
Which
In
is
there.
on frontward. Which is on frontward. Oh, our car smells good inside.
Yeah, like a new car. Did that help with the scent?
And he got a new toy car.
Yeah, he did. They even wash our. Oh, maybe they just got it a little wet. They can wash it.
Man, they wiped down everything.
Yeah, like they even did the cup holders. You'll have
If
to.
they also do my cup holders.
Wow.
They do my cup holders.
We did only pay for the.
$12, yeah.
Yeah.
Why did they do my cup holders?
Because they didn't know about yours.
Yeah.
Yours?
Oh, in your car seat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look. Like even this, like they missed the buttons a little bit, but like in here looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yep. Walmart.
Uh-huh.
Then get groceries where we have to go home and put them away and then go come back to eat.
No, Walmart for shorts.
And for play for a little while.
No, we got to do work for Daddy. You can sit in the shopping cart with your LOL and your dolphin. What are you trying to do, dear?
Good. So get in there.
Not the way I would have gone.
Watch this.
I know, I've done it a million times, honey. And then I finally learned it's not the way to go.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, he got some slide.
I was thinking the same thing. He looks like he's done this a few times too.
Mm-hmm. Is this the way?
Nope.
It still isn't the way?
No, I turn left and then I go to the light and I pull out on Campbell.
Mm.
Is that my friend fly?
Because otherwise, no matter which way you go this way, I don't know if there's a light. I've never been this back way, so I could be wrong,
Oh.
but
Hey, Daddy. Is
I don't like pulling out across Campbell without a light.
Yeah.
Oh no, my dolphin.
Where is it?
It's on there.
Oh, okay. I thought you left it back there.
Look, there was fingerprints all over the window.
Now they're gone?
And there's still a few they missed. Right there. That'll bother me now.
Is this the one where the light is? Yeah. No, you know?
I never know if I'm supposed to tip them when they're done.
Yeah, there's a box out there.
Is there?
Yeah.
But I don't, because they already charge so much for the car wash.
Mhm.
And who am I tipping?
Yeah.
You know?
Mhm.
Even if I were to give him $5, there was 5 people working on the car.
When I worked at Chicago Hot Dog, it didn't matter who tipped who. It all went one bunch.
Right, that's
and then
what
it gets
I said.
divided.
That's what I just said. Even if I gave him $5, that means only $1 per person working on my car.
But it
And
helps.
that didn't include the people that like wiped down the vehicle as we were coming out of the car wash. If that's those people are included, and
It just helps add to the group bunch, and then it gets divided. $1, who cares? It still gets added.